Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Grandpa Gus's Mice Repellent. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this mouse repellent is worth it. Grandpa Gus's Mice Repellent Overview. Grandpa Gus's Mice Repellent is designed to repel mice using natural peppermint and cinnamon oils. The repellent comes in easy-to-use, non-toxic pouches that create an all-natural barrier, freshening air in spaces like cars, RVs, and garages. Each pouch can cover up to 50 square feet, providing continuous protection for up to 3 months without mess or traps. When used as directed, Grandpa Gus's mice repellent pouches are safe around kids and pets. What we liked: customers highly rate the mouse repellent, offers hassle-free returns for the repellent, comes with excellent customer support. What we didn't like: the effectiveness can be inconsistent. Features: EPA-recognized minimum risk pesticide. Grandpa Gus's rodent repellent pouches are considered safe for use around children and pets when used as directed. The natural cinnamon and peppermint oils forming the repellent's active ingredients are considered non-toxic by the EPA. Potent scent disruption. The product harnesses the natural power of peppermint and cinnamon oil working in tandem. This combination creates an intense scent to disrupt mice's senses, effectively driving them away from your space. The product's extra strength designation further indicates a robust formulation for effective rodent deterrence. Mess-free, trap-free solution. Grandpa Gus's pouches offer a clean and hassle-free approach to mouse deterrence. Unlike traditional methods, there is no need for messy traps or the unpleasant task of cleaning up dead rodents. To use the repellent, remove the pouches from the resealable bag and place them where needed, requiring no additional cleanup. Who is Grandpa Gus's mice repellent best suited for? Grandpa Gus's mice repellent is best suited for individuals seeking a non-toxic, natural, and convenient method to deter mice without using messy traps or harsh chemicals. Verdict: should you get Grandpa Gus's mice repellent? While the repellent may sometimes be less durable and its scent initially strong, Grandpa Gus's offers a non-toxic, natural, and convenient method to deter mice without messy traps or harsh chemicals. Its potent scent disruption and EPA-recognized minimum risk pesticide status give it an edge over other mice repellents, making it safe for homes with kids and pets. Therefore, you should consider Grandpa Gus's mice repellent if you're looking for a clean, natural solution to mice infestation. Thanks for watching.